Fleet and farm equipment are the lifeblood of the operation. It's critical that they're running properly on a day in, day out basis. The way to do that is to ensure that your tank maintenance program is followed and you're using quality diesel products. You have fuel tanks, so you have fuel that's readily accessible when you need it. If the tanks are not maintained properly, they're not checked for water and contamination, fuel becomes degraded or has contamination going through the filters, getting into your vehicle's engines and causing them to actually break down. Water can get into fuel tanks in a variety of ways. One of them is actually through condensation. As temperatures rise and fall, it creates condensation, which can get into tanks. Sometimes water can get in because of rainfall. You could have damaged vents or hoods, and water can get in there. To check to see if there's water in the tank, it'd be great if the tank had an auto gauge. It shows automatically if there's any water in there. Easy and very simple to do. Don't have an auto gauge, you have a gauge stick. You put some water fine paste on the bottom of the stick, you dip it into the tank at the bottom, pull it out. If it's changed color, you know there's water in there. The critical thing with preventing water from entering bulk tanks is to make sure that the hatches, the vents, the gaskets are all in good working condition. You also need to have a very regular maintenance program. The way to detect if there's water or algae growth in the tank is by looking at how often you're changing your fuel filters, how often you're changing your fuel lines. If you smell the fuel and you get a rotten egg smell, that means there's residue at the bottom of the tank. If you realize you have water or algae in your tanks, contact a professional maintenance company immediately, have them come to your location, clean the tank out, and then get on a regular maintenance program. If you'd like to learn more about tank maintenance or Cenex Premium Diesel products, visit us at Cenex.com. Learn about Cenex Ruby Fieldmaster and Cenex Roadmaster XL products. While you're there, go to the dealer locator and look for a distributor near you.